Let's take a moment and we'll learn how to set the clock on your Pioneer NEX head unit that has built-in navigation. Even though your particular receiver may have buttons on the side or across the bottom like this one, the on-screen operation in this demonstration is identical for the following Pioneer NEX models: AVIC 5100 NEX, 5200 NEX, and 5201 NEX. AVIC 6100 NEX, 6200 NEX, 6201 NEX, AVIC 7100 NEX, 7200 NEX, 7201 NEX, AVIC 8100 NEX, 8200 NEX, and AVIC 8201 NEX. So from any of my source screens here, I can see the date and time on the screen. And to make an adjustment there, just touch the date and time. Now, all I can adjust here is the format. I can change day and month, or month and day, and a 12 or a 24-hour format. Those are the only adjustments that I have available here. If I touch up here, nothing is available, and that's because the GPS system in the built-in navigation product is automatically setting the clock. So for most users, this will be fine and the clock will be set correctly. But occasionally you may need to make an adjustment to the clock, and we'll show you how to do that within the navigation system. So I'll hit the X here to close out, and there's a couple of different ways to get to the navigation system. You can touch the map button right here, or you can, from the home screen, you can touch the map button here. This will take you directly out to the map, and I want to touch my search function here, and I'm going to scroll over to get to the settings. Now under settings, I want the regional settings. And under regional settings, come down here to time zone. And we'll touch that. So you can see right now I'm set up for automatic time zone. That uses the GPS system, and in most situations, again, this will work perfect for you. But if you find yourself in a spot where you need to make an adjustment, this is how you do it. We'll open up the time zone settings here, and we have a couple of different ways that we can set the time zone. We can do a manual setting, manual and if auto is unavailable, and then manual in the current time zone. So we'll just go to the manual time zone setting here, and we'll open up the time zone, and here you can change to a different time zone, and you can change within 15-minute increments within a time zone. And when you're done doing that, you can go back, and we can adjust daylight savings time on or off right here. Again, these things can all be done automatically by the system, but if they are not working for you, you can make an adjustment here. So let's see, we've changed the time to 10:44. All we have to do is we can use the arrow to go back button, or we can go directly back to the map here, and you can see that we have changed the time. If we go out to the AV system, you can see that we changed the time here as well. And let's go back to the map. And we'll switch this back to the automatic setting. Go to the regional and time zone, and I want this set on automatic time zone, and that's all we need to do.